Hello everybody, welcome you all to my channel again. Hoping you all are great today. Now I am talking about relating some verbs. Let's see the screen. Here given problems with verbs. So there are some verbs immediately after those verbs we have to use infinitive 2 plus verb. So we can say including 2 plus verb is called infinitive, such as agree, appear, arrange, ask, claim, consent, decide, demand, deserve, expect, fail, forget, hesitate, intend, learn, manage, mean, need, offer, plan, prepare, pretend, promise, refuse, seem, want, tend, threatened, wait, etc. So these verbs, when you use in the sentence, so you have to think about using infinitive to plus verb. Let's see some example here. They are given one, we demand blank our status. Here given you some options: know, knowing, to know. Which one is best to put here? Obviously, it's to know. We demand to know our status. Next example is we had planned that day before yesterday. Some options are live, living, to live. Which one is best to put here? We had planned to leave the day before yesterday. Number three, he wanted blank with Deb. Options are speak, to speak, speaking. So we have to put here to speak. He wanted to speak with Dev. That means he met with Dev. He wanted to meet with Dev. So that's all for today. See you next time with another video.